Wait, imagine this. You walk into a room, connect to a Wi-Fi network, and instantly a messaging page appears on your phone. You type a message, press send, and a tiny device on the table suddenly displays your message. No internet, no cloud, no app, just pure embedded engineering. Today we are building an ESP32 pager system that works completely offline. And the coolest part, when you connect to the Wi-Fi, the page opens automatically like hotel Wi-Fi login pages. Let's build it. First, the hardware. We only need two main components: an ESP32C3 development board and an I2C16x2 LCD display. The connection is extremely simple. The LCD uses I2C communication, so only 4 wires are required. Connect the LCD VCC to 5 volts. Connect GND to GND. Now for the communication lines. Connect SDA to GPIO8 on the ESP32C3, and connect SCL to GPIO10. That's it. Your hardware is ready. Now let's upload the code using Arduino IDE. Open Arduino IDE. Go to Tools Board and select ESP32C3 Dev Module. Then configure the important settings. Set upload speed to 115,200. Set USB CDC on boot to enable. Flash mode should remain QIO. And flash size should be 4 MB. Now connect your ESP32 board and select the correct COM port. Click upload. If your board requires it, hold the boot button during upload and release it when uploading starts. Now let's quickly understand how the code works. First, we include the required libraries. Wi-Fi library to create the wireless network, web server library to host the web page, DNS server library to create the captive portal, and liquid crystal I2C to control the LCD display. Next, the ESP32 creates its own Wi-Fi access point. This line starts the network. The SID becomes ESP pager and phones can connect directly to it. After that, the DNS server redirects every website request to our ESP32. That's the trick that makes the automatic captive portal appear. Then the web server hosts a simple web page. The page contains a text box and a send button. When the user presses send, the message is sent to the ESP32. And finally, the ESP32 prints that message on the LCD display. If the message is longer than 16 characters, the code automatically scrolls the text so the entire message becomes visible. Now let's test the system. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone. Connect to the network called ESP Pager. Within a few seconds, the browser automatically opens a page, just like a hotel Wi-Fi login screen. Type any message, press send, and watch the LCD. Boom! Your message instantly appears on the display. And this simple idea can become many powerful projects: restaurant waiter calling systems, factory alert panels, offline messaging networks, or even classroom announcement boards. If you enjoyed this project, subscribe to Cooltronics Projects, because we build crazy electronics like this every week. And in the next video, we will upgrade this pager into a multi-device wireless messaging network using ESP32 nodes. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one.